And back at Dual Sport Plus, our local Kove dealer, we had a community request for a guy who's building a custom carrier from Australia. And he's looking to have a custom mount built for the back of his truck to take his new Kove 800 that he hasn't picked up yet. So we just have some measurements. If you're looking at building a custom carrier to do long expeditions, this might help you, but it's more so just to help this guy out. So let's take a look at some of the measurements and see if we can help. Also, I did wear my Caterpillar sweater today. Some of you have said that I look like I'm AI generated. Hopefully this shows I'm not AI generated. So looking down the side of the bike, the crash bar isn't the widest part. The turn signal is, and then followed by the peg, and then the crash bar. The crash bar sits about the same as the passenger peg and the side stand if you're taking the handlebars off. Signals are 13 1/4. For the pegs, it's about 11 1/2 inches. And sorry for the lack of content recently. I want to keep things really consistent and posting more videos, but I had a project come in and I had to do a bit of a restoration on this older Corvette. So it's been in storage for a long time and it had to be gone through inside and out, pulled the whole interior, did everything to the outside, the rims, lots of work done to it, a bunch of work in the engine bay. So that's taken a lot of my free time. As you can see, the shop is sort of riddled with Corvette parts. So it'll be out of here very soon. I have a lot more gear. I've got some rides that I'm going to post. I have more on the living with the 790, 890, and 901, looking at the perks there. We've got goggles, neck braces, knee guards, lots of stuff. So sorry again about the delay. This was a giant project to do, so I'll get back into things soon. So thanks for sticking around.